Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Learn with Fun by Zarar sir. So today's topic of discussion is to derive the equation for resistor in series. Okay, let's say I have a circuit where V is my voltage and I is my current across the terminal. So this circuit, let's say V is total voltage, I is total current, and let's say the voltage drop across each resistors are, I'll name it as V1, V2 and V3. Okay, so my V1 would be, as you're aware about, in a series circuit the current will remain same across the complete resistance. So V1 will be I into R1. Similarly, my V2 will be I into R2 and V3 will be I into R3. Okay, so V1 will be I1 R1, sorry, IR1, V2 is IR2 and V3 is IR3. And the total voltage will be I into total resistance. So let's say this is the total resistance, R1, R2 and R3 as a total resistance. So my V would be V1 plus V2 plus V3. And my total V is I into RT. V1 is I into R1. V2 is I into R2. V3 is I into R3. So IRT, if I take I common, it would be R1 plus R2 plus R3. I will get cancelled out. The total resistance in series is R1 plus R2 plus R3. Hope you have understand this video in 2 minutes. Do subscribe and share so that I can upload resistance in parallel. Thank you.